What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupy Home and Product Reviews. Today we have a heat gun. I was looking for a heat gun for a while. My wife really needs a heat gun. I just need a heat gun when I do like wiring, use a heat shrink, and then heat it up. I've been using a lighter. My wife does her thermos and mugs and stuff, and when she put epoxy on, she needs a heat gun. She has been using a lighter. So since I go ahead and buy products all the time, I might as well go ahead and get a heat gun. Now, I got this from Lowe's. This is called the Wagner Furno 700 Plus. This is about 80 bucks. They have two other ones. The cheap one was like $24, but the minimum limit on that you can set to was 750 degrees Fahrenheit. The other one was a Craftsman, 50 bucks. The minimum setting on there was 120, and the minimum setting on this one is 125. Now, the difference between this one and the Craftsman is this one comes with a couple of accessories. Includes 4 nozzles, and this one has 6 fans on it. The Craftsman only had 2 fans. This one also has a LED indicator of your heating. Let's open this up so y'all can see what it looks like. So this is a carrying case, and that is perfect because the other 2 didn't have a carrying case. I didn't get the battery one because the battery Craftsman said the battery would last 15 minutes. I'd rather go ahead and get a wired one just in case, my wife needed more than 15 minutes. Then she will have to recharge the battery, blah, 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 blah. All right, so let's open this up. This comes with a 5-year limited warranty. I never understand the limited warranty stuff. Maybe electrical problems. I don't know. I never had nothing where I had to do a limited warranty call-in. LED indicator, right? We got plus, negative on there, plus, negative. Power button, fan. Simple as that, right? And here goes our power source right here. Okay, you guys, so the back of this has these 2 feet right here where you could use it as a stand. All right, they have something called angle lock, work hands-free. Okay, you guys, so that is most of the features with this heat gun. If you was looking for this, I hope you stumbled across this video, and I hope this video helped you. I helped somebody in Lowe's because he was even getting confused on what to do. So he was asking me, about this stuff. So I just told him, if he buys the cheap one, he's kind of limited on the fluctuation of heat that he may need. So he appreciated that, said thank you, happy holidays, blah, blah, blah. So with that being said, I hope this video informs you, or I hope this video did you some help, even though I didn't do any demonstration. But that was the unboxing. That's pretty much what comes in the box. You got the heat gun, you got the cord, you got the 4 accessories, and that's about it. You get a carrying case. Like, comment, and please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because I have more products to review. Catch you on the next one.